In this video, I'm going to share 3 tips on how to become more self-sustainable. In this video, I'm going to talk about the very first step you need to become self-sustainable. The reason why I'm so passionate about growing microgreens is not necessarily because of the microgreens. Hear me out. So I'm so passionate about this topic is because we need to start creating new systems in the world, especially our food systems. The food system that's established right now is broken and there's no reason to fix it. We need to create new ways on how to get food and healthy food. There's so many documentaries and videos that I've seen and that have just reassured me that we are headed in a direction that we can succeed or we can fail. And it's opened up my eyes so much to the corruption and the money and the greed that is out there for these food systems that it's not healthy. On every street corner, you're going to get convenient food that is filled with processed foods, GMOs, chemicals. What is our food being sprayed with, even at the grocery store? So my passion comes from growing your own food is something that, like, you know exactly where that food came from. You took that seed and you put it in the soil, and in 10 days you had a tray of food. So I never thought of myself to have a green thumb. I never thought like, oh my gosh, I love gardening, I can't wait for months and months to harvest. No, it didn't work out like that for me. I wanted something instant. I'm not gonna lie, I liked something that's instant gratification, and that's why I love microgreens. They are so easy to grow. It only takes 10 days to have a full tray of nutrient dense food, and then you can incorporate it into whatever you're eating already. So it's so simple, so easy, and we need to create new systems. I love to barter. I love to trade. So ever since we've started growing microgreens, I'm trading with all of our homesteading friends, whether it's chicken eggs, whether it is bread, whether it is other vegetables. So it's just a great asset to have when you grow your own food. And let's just say something happens. Let's just say, the grocery stores aren't getting their food anymore. What are you going to do instead of crying about it? Like, I'm not one to sit here and crying my pants off. It's like, do something. Let's be proactive. Let's make a change. And so why not learn how to grow your own food and becoming self-sustainable? Like, that just makes perfect sense to me. And the second reason is because we need to cultivate a deeper connection with our food. We are so disconnected. We think like, especially kids nowadays think that food just comes to the grocery store and it just magically appears there. Well, guess what? It was on a truck that could have been hauled from across the country or even from another country, and you don't know how long it took to get there. You didn't know what it was sprayed with. You didn't know what pesticides, chemicals were being put on the food to preserve it. So it just makes sense to find new ways to grow organically grown food right at your fingertips, which is so easy. You don't need a lot of space, you don't need a lot of time, and it's just an easy way to cultivate a deeper connection with our food. And the third reason is that our food either poisons us or it heals us. It's just like any tool that's out there, like the internet. Like, you can use it for good things in the world, or you can use it for bad intentions. It just really depends on how you use these tools. And the food, it either heals your body. Everything starts in the gut. Any disease, any illnesses, it starts right here in your gut. So why not heal your body with the food that you're consuming instead of poisoning it with ultra processed foods and all the convenient store foods that are in every grocery aisle? They're on every rack. They're everywhere. So why not cultivate a deeper connection? Why not cultivate a deeper connection with our food? And those are my 3 tips on how to become self-sustainable. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to share more videos.